Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore English vocabulary one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is elephant. An elephant is a very large gray animal with a long, flexible nose called a trunk. We often see elephants in zoos or in nature documentaries. An elephant is a noun, which means it's a thing, specifically an animal. You can use the word elephant in many everyday sentences. For example, I saw an elephant at the zoo, or the elephant used its trunk to pick up the food. Now, let's explore some words that are similar to elephant. These are called synonyms. One synonym for elephant, although not a perfect replacement as it refers to a baby elephant, is calf. You might hear someone say, "The mother elephant protected her calf." Another word we could associate, though it refers more to a group of elephants, is herd. We can say, "A herd of elephants was drinking at the waterhole." Another word that brings to mind elephants, though related to a specific type, is mammoth. Although mammoths are extinct now, they were similar to elephants and very large. For instance, the museum had a display about mammoths. While there aren't direct antonyms for elephant, since it's a specific animal, we can think about words that represent the opposite of its characteristics, like size. One such word is small. An elephant is the opposite of small. For example, an elephant is not small, it's enormous. Another word that contrasts with the concept of elephant is tiny. While an elephant is huge, a mouse is tiny. We could say, an elephant is much bigger than a tiny insect. Similarly, the word miniature represents something very small. In contrast to the elephant, we might describe a toy as miniature, such as, "The child played with a miniature elephant toy." Now, let's look at how the word elephant is used in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "There's an elephant in the room," which is an idiom meaning there's an obvious problem that nobody wants to talk about. Or you might say, "I never forget anything. I have the memory of an elephant," meaning you have a very good memory. Here are some more sentence examples. The elephant sprayed water on itself to cool down. That elephant has very large tusks. The elephant is a symbol of wisdom in some cultures. We watched an elephant walk across the savannah. The zookeeper cares for the elephant very well. The elephant ate a lot of leaves and branches. I learned about elephants in my science class. She drew a picture of an elephant. They are working to protect elephants from poaching. The little girl was amazed by the size of the elephant. Let's think of some phrases too. We have elephant ears, which could refer to a type of pastry. Or consider elephantiasis, which is a medical condition. Think about elephant jokes, which are often about the animal's size or trunk. We can also say elephant hide, referring to the thick skin of the animal. To summarize, today we learned that an elephant is a large, gray animal with a trunk. We explored synonyms like calf, herd, and mammoth, and contrasting words like small, tiny, and miniature. We also learned about everyday phrases like an elephant in the room and the memory of an elephant. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence about elephant and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading them.
See you next time.